Good morning, students. In this class, we are going to learn a craft work with white paper. Take a piece of white paper with 6 into 6 centimeters. This is 6 centimeters and this is 6 centimeters, and fold it like this. Then fold again like this. Then draw a petal shape like this with the pencil. Then cut this with the scissors like this. Cut like this and open it. Then cut like this up to the middle like this. Then paste these two with the gum like this. Paste here with the gum like this. Do like this. Then do like this. Do like this. Do like this. Then take a black color sketch and draw like this at the middle. Do like this. Do like this. Then do like this here also. Then do like this. Then do here also like this. We got this like this. Make 5 flowers like this. Then take a piece of white paper and draw a circle like this here and cut it with the scissors. Cut it with the scissors like this. Cut like this. Cut like this. Make 16 like this. Then take white papers like this with 0.5 into 30 centimeters. Take 4 like this. Take 5 like this and take a piece of white paper with 3.5 into 30 centimeters. This is 3.5 centimeters and this is 30 centimeters. Then paste with the gum in this way. Paste like this with the gum. As arranged earlier. Paste like this here. Do like this. Then paste like this also here and paste here also, and then paste here also with gum. Then turn to the back side and cut the extra pieces like this. Take like this and paste these flowers here at the ends with gum like this. Paste like this here also. Paste here also. then here, then paste here, paste like this, then paste these circles like this with gum from here like this, paste the circles, paste like this in this way with gum, do like this, then paste this onto a wall with gum or double tape. Then paste this onto a wall like this. So dear students, do this and send in our WhatsApp group. Thank you.